Okay, Helen, here I am again in my kitchen. Okay, so this is going to be my best bone soup ever. This actually here, this little garlic bulb, I actually grew that in my garden. I've got three chickens in here, just the bones, some onions and carrots and celery and peppercorns and the bay leaves that you sent me, and it sat overnight in the refrigerator with the vinegar. I already deboned them all, and oh, it's going to be so good. It already smells amazing, and it's only been cooking for an hour, so I'm looking forward to that. And I'll finish that in about 24 hours, I guess. So, okay, Helen, this was exciting. This scrawny little thing here gave me a big giant garlic bulb, and I just put it in the thing, and it just oh, it's so garlicky. I've actually never had fresh garlic like that before. So I gotta eat this little doohickey here. Can't let that go to waste. Anyways, I'll talk to you later. Bye.